Hello, everybody. Welcome to the show. How's it going? Good morning, good evening. Hello, everybody. What's up? What's up? AD, welcome. MSG UFO in the house. Miss K 911. Hello there. Loving nature guy. We are not ready. Hello. Devil Jin, welcome. Yonix in the house. Corp Trades entering the building next to Fabio. Yeah, something's happening. Bit of a dump here, right? Adam, welcome. What's up? Shenanigan, hey. Good to see you back. Content Hunter in the house. Good morning, Corb. Norbert üdvözöllek, servus. Good morning, fellow Hungarian trader here. Stefan Rutten, hello. Welcome, Stefan. And Windrider 55T, hello. Welcome. How was Asia session? How was a good old Asia session, right? I feel refreshed. Yesterday I was like, now I'm better. Yanex, hello. Welcome, welcome. Hey, AD, what's up? What's up? Okay. All right, all right. All right, all right. Let's see. So we swept the 15-minute fair value gap on NQ. Kind of back into this 5-minute one. We still have Asia low down at 493. I believe we're going to have a bullish day. But we'll check the higher time frames in a second. So here's the daily chart. Look at how close we are to get a new all-time high up to what's the all-time high here? 782. And this is the daily chart. I think we can easily start to push higher. We're not even far. So just one more expansion higher. That's all we need. ES kind of has the same situation going on. So, I would not be surprised at an expansion. So let's keep that in mind. This is, by the way, we can still sweep lower, I think. Randall, hello. Today's going to be wild. Broke the ascending wedge to the down, then retested the break. Wow. Took advantage of that, but now limit sell at 610. Yeah, so I was just about to say that despite the fact that I'm saying like it would be awesome to stay in this bullish scenario, first I can imagine that we might just gonna go a little bit lower. Hold on. Yeah, so we might just gonna go a little bit lower, sweep Asia low maybe. What else is there? There's a fair value gap here. Okay, so nothing special. But yeah. Zacromancer, hello. Let's all smash the likes, everybody. Let's smash it. Thank you. Fizzlet, I butchered my entry to buy that gold dip. Oh no. Come on, man. Smokey, the sucker dad. Ollie, good to see you, man. Picked up some TPT. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for the support, Smokey. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. You guys make it possible. Because today in the New York session, I'm going to give away a 150K test account at Take Profit Trader and the 25K account. So a 25K and a 150K account for a giveaway in early New York session. LSJN, hello, jó reggelt, good morning. You're getting exhausted on the larger time frames. It's just chopping now. Scalping price section. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Konstantina, hello, good morning. Welcome. Yeah, so early New York session, 2 accounts are going to be given away at Take Profit Trader, a 150K and a 25K. Don't ask me why. I mean, why 25K? I didn't even know I have a 25K credit, but I'm giving it away. Oh yeah, so HD Photo asking how long is the Take Profit Trader sale going on? You know what, that's a good question. Let me just check it, because I actually wanted to check that myself as well. May 24, which is Sunday. So the 50% off, for now at least, I don't know if they're going to extend it, is on until Sunday at Take Profit Trader. So Sunday evening or midnight, maybe until Monday, who knows, but until Sunday evening, it's still on. Really good price for it. Yes, exactly, Smokey. Yeah, so until Sunday evening, but maybe they will extend it. I don't know. I just checked the email from the partner support and it says Sunday evening, but who knows? You know, you never know. I don't know if they're gonna extend it. Okay, gold swept the low as well. Nico, hello. Got your payout. Oh my gosh, Dave. Congratulations, Dave. That's how you do it. Okay, so I'm wondering if we're gonna go lower to that Asia low. I might have missed my opportunity because there was a possible short opportunity here. You know, look at that, to go short. I mean, it can be still good with a 1-to-1 just to see if we can sweep Asia low. It's not a bad thing. But who knows? Johan, hello. Welcome, welcome. Or maybe here. That level was at 64.50, I think. Let me just check it. 64.25. Anyway, I jumped into a short. The risk to reward ratio is still good. I can keep it with a 1-to-1 just to see if we're gonna sweep Asia low. If not, then there's no problem with it. Let me just put this out. So it's still a positive risk to reward ratio. Keep the TP at 95.50. All right. Let's keep it at 95.50. All right. And the stop, I'm going to keep it at 95, 75. Yeah. Oh, actually 96. All right. All right. That's fine. That is okay. It doesn't really change too much on the solution. That I'm kind of looking for that Asia low, and that is it. Yeah. And hello, good morning. You're welcome. Did you get your, yes, did you get your credit? I got the email that yesterday that the credit have been transferred to the winners. So you should have the credit to buy the account. Congratulations again. You wrote it perfectly. Neptune Song, hello, welcome. I'm in a short, yes. This is just a short trade, nothing super special. Let's check gold as well. So yeah, there was a zone here yesterday. Oh, hold on. Come on. Why does it says delayed? It says delayed. My Ninja Trader is saying delayed. It's interesting. What is wrong with this? It says delayed. Look at that. That's what it's saying. That is delayed. Data is delayed. 10 minutes. But it can't be because, you know, this is trade await. Yeah, that's the checkout. Exactly. I think, I mean, as long as it, you know, you can activate it in weeks or a month or 2 months. I don't know. I think it stays there permanently. Yeah. Yes, I have. Of course, I have active account with multiple prop firms. I think I have to restart my my Ninja Trader. Let's restart. Let's restart. No, I have active account. I have active account at TPT, Apex. I got connected to MyFundedFutures. I have multiple connections right now. And I didn't lose any accounts. Look at that. That's the trade day because I couldn't connect to trade day. But otherwise, I have active accounts. That's weird. That is so weird. That is weird. Connections. Configure. I have everything. I have active connection. I'm connected to MyFundedFutures right now. I'm connected to Apex right now. Weird. That is very weird. All right. Let's go, and congratulations. This is a sell, but I was in a sell. I'm still in a sell. So my entry is way down there. Actually, my entry is... Hold on a second. It was the market makers. Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. I don't know what's up with the... So my entry is at 47, by the way. Terrible entry. And I don't know why I have a delay. I really have no idea. Something is off with my NinjaTrader. Everything is great. I just have to run out for a moment because I'm expecting someone, and I'll be back. Yeah, it looks. I think Asia low is looking good to be taken. So I'll be right back. All right. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I'm here. Sorry, but I just have someone to repair the rollerblades on the window, and I have to help him a little bit. And I'm trying to decide what to do with this Ninja Trader thing. I have no idea of why it's not working. I don't know why. Why is the data delayed? I need to figure this out somehow. Why is the data being delayed? So I tried to figure out something here. Maybe download another instance of Ninja Trader and reinstall it. Maybe that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, I went back for a nap. Exactly. But not much happened since then. Data source, maybe somehow turn it off. Okay, yeah, maybe I will. Yeah, I need to check that. Huh. Interesting though. I mean, yeah, let me check the data subscription. Because something is off. Something is definitely off here. Oh, bocsi. Nem írtam vissza. Elnézést. Írok mindenképp. Yeah, gold is back to the VWAP now, still going lower. I still have the trade on, by the way, so this is my trade on Ninja. I still have it on, just saying. So here it is, but the data is delayed, as you can see it. I don't know why. But the trade is on. So I have to fix my Ninja Trader somehow. Orban's fault, yeah. Yeah. All right. I'm trying to fix it somehow. It's annoying. It's really annoying. All right. I might have to restart again. All right. I have to restart again. Let's go. Do it. Syncing your Windows PC clock. Yeah, maybe. Maybe that could be an issue. Who knows? Okay, that's not it. Oh, I fixed it. There you go. I managed to fix it. Look at that. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Although it's not that beautiful because I'm in a drawdown, but otherwise it's beautiful. It's working now. Flawlessly. Flawlessly. All right. The trade is not so flawless though, but everything else is cool. Yeah, so let's see. Again, there's a thing, but it has a, yeah, sometimes I do that, by the way. Sometimes I do sync it. So again, there is someone who I have to help to fix the rollerblades, and I need to step away for a second, and this is gonna be the second. Hold on. All right, I'm back. I'm sorry, but we had to fix. Anyway, I was working, but I'm here now. I'm sorry. I apologize for everybody. I usually don't go away for this long. Okay, so it seems like I almost got stopped out and we're still in the trade. By some miracle. Hey, Daryl, hello there. What's up, what's up? I just want to see Asia low being taken out currently. That is what I'm kind of hoping for. Okay, look at that. Nothing is going on here. I like to think that this one can continue lower. I really would love to see that. Actually, I love to see that so much that after being reversed, I would be even happy to add to the position. Wouldn't be the worst thing I did so far this week. Okay. All right. So we have 46 likes. Let's go, everybody. Thank you so much for the support. So what's your daily target, profit or successful number of trades? I would say it's not profit. I don't have a daily profit target. which is it's a really good question, Hope. I don't have, so I'm not focusing on the money or the dollar amount. I think that's the better expression. So I'm not focusing on the dollar amount. I'm focusing on the on the successful setup better. And so I don't really have a dollar amount of profit. I would say if I can make $200 or $300, $400 ish on any given account, usually I trade with the 50Ks, then for that particular account, I call it a day. That's fine. So if I make $300, for example, I don't want to push it for the next 300. Like, oh, let's do another 300. No, I'm done. I'm done. I'm moving on to the next one, or I'm just stepping away. That's the thing. Yeah, NQ going nowhere, unfortunately. It's just not doing it. It's just not doing it. Gold is absolutely also unplugged. Totally unplugged. So quite interesting. I have a question. What you was doing for a living before trading? Well, I mean, I was from 2003 until 2007. I was in the military. I was in the military for almost 4 years. From 2007 until 2010, I was working at an insurance company. From 2010, 2011, I was working in a real estate company in Croatia. 2011, I was working there until 2015, 16, actually 2016. So until 2016, I was working with a real estate company. I was traveling a lot to Croatia. We were building apartments for, you know, for tourists, for renting out. And from 2016, again, I was working 2017, 2016, because there was a bit of a overlay, but I was working again for an insurance company until 2024. And since 24 March, I'm doing full-time YouTube and trading. Since 24 March, I'm here full-time. I can always go back to the insurance company. They keep calling me. I still have a bit of a side income from there because I was a contractor with them. And I was good in it, so, but I love this better, much better. No sellers, yeah. Trade in the middle, yeah. Yeah, military. Not Orban's military. No. I was not in Orban's military. I was also in the NATO force. I was deployed in Africa, actually Cape Verde. So, yeah. Let's go. Kenshin was in the military too. Awesome. I feel it. Hey, ES Futures, what's up? Yeah, but you know, I'm actually very glad. I mean, I'm very glad, and it's a really good thing. I feel like it was a really good choice that I was in the military. Those years are always going to bring me great memories because it was a really good, it was a really great part of my life. Being there, the friends, all the experience and everything. It was a really good thing. Oh wow, Joker still in the military. Let's go. Got my first payout. ever today. Max, oh my gosh, hey. Huge applause for Joker. Congratulations for your first ever payout there. Oh my gosh. That's nice, man. The foreign American IT Poland now quite hard. 13 years. Oh, wow. It's hard. By the way, Hungarian Prime Minister was in Poland a couple of days ago, right? We were watching the videos. How do you manage 12 contracts, 10-point rally? Oh my gosh. How do you manage losing streak? Well, the only way I can manage a losing streak if I step away from trading and I size down the positions for the next couple of days, like at least for 1 or 2 days. I just go with 1 or 2 micros and I stop copy trading. I just focusing on one account, or I'm leaving my funded accounts alone totally, and I'm just trading on an eval for a day or 2. That's something that helps me to get back. Exactly. I love that time too in the military. I mean, really good memories. Let's go. Dozens of failed fund, even more failed. Joker, it's the way it goes. It's the learning curve. There's no way around it. This is how it goes, right? Hey, UEW, hello there from Taiwan. Welcome. Hello. Thanks for joining, David. David Koda, hello there. The week, it was great. Not the best trading-wise because I got hammered. I lost actually. I lost actually 2 funded accounts. Hold on, I need to make quick phone call. All right, I'm here. What is happening with this trade? $35 points and 33. Let's go. Have you seen a report about how much trades Trump has made? Well, I didn't see that. TRADEIFY or MyFundedFutures? MyFundedFutures, I'm a little bit biased to MyFundedFutures, but TRADEIFY is still awesome. They are also very, very solid, by the way. TRADEIFY is also super solid. So it's hard to say like, oh, which one is the best? Obviously, I'm a little bit biased with MyFundedFutures. I'm calling the prop firms. Exactly. Exactly. What is the cycle you maintain for eval and funded account rotation? Not a specific rule for that, so there's no stone written rule. But like I just keep it simple. If you're not copy trading, like it doesn't matter if it's an eval or a funded account. If you make anywhere between $200 or $300 or $500 in profit on any of these accounts, then you just switch to a different account. That's it. So you don't need to, you can, but you don't need to push it to make $1,000 or $2,000 each and every day on every single account. You have to respect that relatively smaller amount of profit. Like if you make $200, $300, especially in a shitty London session, right? This one, this London session, if you can make $200 in this London session, take it and leave it and run away as far as you can. That's what I would do. So, you know. And look at that. I think I'm going to get stopped out here, guys. It kind of feels like that it's inverting this gap here on the next candle, and it's just going to spike higher. I mean, no surprise, because overall we are still bullish. I just thought that, you know, we might go higher here. At the long deliberation between those. Yeah. But by the way, payout policy wise, and that is something. So let's state out the obvious. And let's just forget about how much it costs. All right. I know everybody wants cheaper prop firm accounts, but you know, let's put aside how much it costs. I think the number one thing that you have to consider when you're choosing a prop firm is knowing that you are going to get paid out with no questions asked, and that's it. No delay, no questions being asked, no nothing. You're gonna get paid out 100% and as fast as possible. I think this is the most important. And yes, that prop firm may be a little bit more pricier with $20, $30, whatever. I don't know. But you're going to get paid out and as fast as possible. These are the most, for me, this is the most important. Now, if I qualify the prop firms by these rules, then obviously MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, TRADEIFY, and Lucid. These are the ones. And I'm not necessarily saying it like number one, number two, whatever. These are all on the same level in this qualification. No matter, I mean, you're not going to get like, I don't know, questioned about your trading strategy or how you trade. Once you meet the payout criteria, obviously don't go with like, I'll go trading like 500 trades a session or whatever, right? So I'm not talking about the extremes, but if you trade normally, then these prop firms, no questions asked, super fast payout, you're gonna get paid out. Lucid, MyFundedFutures, TRADEIFY, Take Profit Trader as well, by the way, because they're deducting it to the wallet. Usually you're gonna get paid out within a few hours or faster. That's it. It doesn't get any better than that, by the way. Some prop firms may gonna pay you out in a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. With these ones, within a couple of hours or within a couple of seconds sometimes. And you can count on that money. What you make in your funded account, you can count on it. Now, this is what matters most, I think. This is a huge thing, underestimated. Anyway, Roblox, hello, welcome. The good fella, good morning. What's up? I'm gonna get taken out from this one, guys. What a shame, what a shame. I was really hoping that I can survive. I think I'm gonna close this trade down. Yeah, closing it. Most likely it is going to push higher. So I can't really do anything with that. Yes. When you request a payout at MyFundedFutures, it's almost instant in the payout as well. 200K? Woo. Wow. That is really something. All right, so let's see what's gonna happen here. Wow. TopStep pays too, but yeah, people funded Goat funded SMT that. Yeah. GFT. I don't know about those. I mean, how fast they pay, but I do like. So when a prop firm pays you out, no questions asked, and relatively fast, that's what matters. Corp, thank you for being here. Have a good one. Have a good one. I'm actually curious what's going to happen now that I close the trade, right? Oh, man. Have you looked at the commission structure for each firm? I haven't really looked at it, to be honest, Smo. Some prop firms are cheaper. Some prop firms are relatively more expensive. Because I try to go for not just a few points, but for like 30, 40, 50, 60, sometimes 100 points, it doesn't really matter to me. So... So what's gonna happen now? Yeah, with micros, it can add up. That's for sure. It can definitely add up. Very easy. It's very easy to get caught in the commissions. Yeah. You know, I can imagine that I can imagine that we can break all-time high today. We are very close, extremely close. Like, look at that, 783 up there. I'm not saying that right now we're going there, but it's only 200 points and it's Friday, so, you know, anything can happen. Anything is possible. Yeah, this market is not good. HT Photo is saying he's blowing up with this market. Yeah, it is definitely takes everybody's nerves. I can absolutely feel you there. $560. Where's 560? 560 is right there. Where would be the optimal entry for this? Huh. I'm gonna go crazy if it goes down now. And it does. Wow. 495. I almost went bold. Look at this, guys. I jumped in on a different account, by the way, but only on an eval. And I'm already know that I just messed up this session totally. So I switched to a different account, to an eval, and I jumped back in. But I messed this up already, so. I'm just going to target Asia low just to see. I just want to see if the analysis was correct or not. That's it. No biggie. Trader 007, hello. Thank you, thank you. 60 bucks, take it, right? Exactly. Exactly. No, at this point, I just want to know if the analysis is correct. Are we going to go for Asia low or not? That's what I just want to know. That is all. Nothing more. You could use the Asia low, this one, so you can use that too. I'm using the 8 p.m. anything after any swing low, so I'm using any swing low after 8 p.m. But you can use the 6 p.m. timer. That's a short trade here. 80. Yeah, New York. There's gonna be a giveaway in New York session, early New York, guys. 150K take profit trader account and the 25K take profit trader account. And next week I'm gonna give away MyFundedFutures accounts. So and it's all because of you guys supporting the channel. And by the way, don't forget that on Sunday it might go back to 40%. The take profit trader is 50% off until Sunday evening. I don't know if they're going to extend it, but the email says that it's until Sunday. So, and then it might go back to 40%, which is still a good deal. I'm just saying. And because of you guys using the code, I'm able to give away these credits. So thank you so much. I don't know, RX. I wish I would know what is so special about this, but this trade is so crazy. Yeah, NQ is teasing us for sure. Good morning, T-Survivor. Hello there. Trump is going to speak today. I guess he will, right? Oh, look at this. So bad. This is so bad. Okay, gold is slipping lower as well. But technically in the same range. NQ doesn't really want to go lower. We have relative equal lows at 527, by the way. And it's still not going down. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Unbelievable, right? Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. It's just not doing a thing. Tops are getting weaker and weaker. I think it is, you know, sooner or later, because we have relative equal highs up there at the 600, sooner or later, and that's not good for me, but it should be popping through those levels, especially if today is going to be a rally and we go for a new all-time high. So it's a shit show for sure. It is. It is a shit show. I agree. This price action, I mean, look at the 5-minute chart. It's just so bad, it makes me want to puke. Sorry. This is so bad. We are at 75 likes, by the way. 75. All we need is 25 more. 25 more likes to go, everybody. Don't diddle in the middle. 25 more. 24 now. Let's go. Can we smash those likes? $94 already. 6 more to go. Let's go. 6 more. TikTok. No, I'm not streaming on TikTok. I do have a TikTok channel, by the way. It's for now it's a little bit slow, but thank you so much for. Let's smash those likes. 5 more to go. 5 more likes. No, here on YouTube. On YouTube. We are at 96 right now. Let's go to 100 on this live stream. How was that here? Yeah, I mean, we could be just struggling here the next couple of, who knows, hours. Look at that. It's going to pop through. It's going to go through. 102. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's go. Ladies and gents, I think I should just call it, because it's just, wow, it's so bad. Pia Lewis, hello, thank you for joining. Sometimes I do buy the dip, but depends if there's gonna be a reversal or not, right? Yeah, man, I'm just gonna close it. Maybe not. This is so bad. Yeah, I'm closing it. Closing it, guys. Because it's really, really bad. Very bad price action. Really, really bad price action so far. And I think it can just go higher anyway. Yeah, let's just preserve the capital. At least wait for, you know, what to happen in a New York session, because this is like, wow, it's Absolutely crazy. It's gonna go to the 80s, I think. Hopefully I did the right choice, but yeah, see you in New York session. Thank you for being here, AD. Yeah, I don't know what's happening in this Europe session, but it's just not good. Not something I was hoping for. So let's wait. Let's see what it wants to do. Buyers gets absorbed on this level. Maybe. I wonder if it will try to break to the 80s or not. Maybe not. We can have a duck race later. Sure. Of course. Duck race is fun, right? Duck race is always fun. It's interesting though, they're not letting the price go up to the 80s. Trump is still talking. Wow. Yeah, maybe everybody wants to go long, but the market is just saying, no, not today. Well, anyway, we're going to have the pre-market open real soon. So I'm just curious, how's it going to go? Yeah, Adam. Exactly. Trump is going to make a huge announcement. Is he talking right now or is it going to be later? Right now? Is it live on YouTube somewhere? Trump live. Oh.
Hammer, if we didn't knock out their Iranian potential, if we didn't do that with Midnight Hammer, they would have had a nuclear weapon. They would have used it long before now. And at a minimum, Israel would have been annihilated. I was very lucky that we had the courage to do that, that we had the talented pilots and the great equipment. The B-2 bombers are unbelievable. We ordered 25 more, by the way. The newer, better version. It's we have the greatest military in the world. We have the greatest equipment in the world by far. You see that no matter where we go. You still need the people, though, to operate it and to use it.
You just type in
And
Trump
those are the
Live,
people that we
but I can
cherish.
paste it to you
Even after
guys.
we obliterated their key nuclear sites
Here it
in
is.
Operation Midnight Hammer, they never negotiated in good faith. They still continued to say, we want to build nuclear, we want enrichment at levels that were unacceptable. And they even turned down an offer for
That's a rerun.
unlimited
Oh,
free
sorry.
nuclear fuel
Sorry,
forever.
that's the rerun. I'm sorry. I'm sorry then. My mistake. My mistake. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. He's sleeping now. Yeah, that's what I was surprised. Like, is he really talking right now? Or what's happening? I guess he'll be talking a little bit later, right? The 80 level is still protected, by the way. I thought he's live, but he's not. Sleeping. He is sleeping right now. Okay, so up to the 80s. Not much is going on for now. Yeah, it's a very bad price action. See you in the New York session, Zacromancer. Guys, I'm just gonna call it. I don't care about this 4-hour open. It's just so bad. I got hammered. So actually not really hammered, but I closed the trade. So thank you so much for watching. I'm not really looking to take anything in this mess. So thank you. You guys are amazing. And thank you for the support. There's going to be a giveaway. Don't worry about it. We're going to do it. Stay tuned. Paulo, thank you for joining. So early New York session giveaway. And if you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO up there. Thank you so much for the support. More giveaways are coming. So you guys are amazing. Stay safe. Trade safe. God bless you all. That's what matters. All right. Have a good one. And let's focus on New York. All right. Cheers, everybody. God bless.